Hello students, today I am going to teach you about Schools of the Future, Chapter 1, Class 9. The name of the chapter is The Fun They Had. Now let me tell you that here in the book it is mentioned that Schools of the Future, but actually it is occurring now because in this lockdown period we are compelled to teach you online. The author of this story is Isaac Asimov. The story deals with a boy and a girl, Tommy and Margie. They find out something about the school of the past. This present story unfolds the picture of future schools where the mechanical teacher will teach the students and books will be meaningless. Of course, this future school will be quite different from our present school and the old school. On 17th May 2157, Margie wrote in her diary that Tommy found a real book. What is a real book? Which we are using nowadays. Now, Margie recalls what her grandfather said once, that when he was a little boy, all stories were printed on a paper. Tommy and Margie started turning the pages, which were yellow and crinkly, and for them it was funny to read words because it stood still and was not moving as on a screen. Now in paragraph 2, Tommy thinks it was a waste to have a book printed on paper. Tommy thinks TV screens are better. Margie asked Tommy, "What's about that book?" Now in point number 3 it is mentioned, Tommy said that book is about school. Margie hates school and does not understand why someone would write about school. Margie has problems about learning geography from her mechanical teacher, so it is rebuilt by the county inspector. Now in point 4, it is mentioned that he was like a robot. He took the mechanical teacher apart. That time Margie had hoped he would not come again, but after an hour it appeared on the screen. Margie hates doing her homework and test papers just like you all. Here she had no need to write answers in sentences, but she had to enter only code words, and immediately the mechanical teacher calculated the marks. Now in point 5, now inspector told Mrs. Jones, that is Margie's mother, that Margie's progress is satisfactory. She could not do good in geography because the slot where she had to put her test paper was very fast, and he slowed down the slot up to an average 10 years level, which was 1 year less than her age, that is 11 years. Margie was not happy because the inspector did not take the teacher away. Once Tommy's mechanical teacher had been taken away, he was not able to take any lessons in history because the sector had blanked out completely. So Margie thought her teacher also would be taken away Margie asked Tommy why anybody would write about school, because she hates school. Now in 6th point, Tommy replies that it existed centuries ago. For a while, she read the book and surprised to know that in the older days, they had a teacher that is human being. They used to give homework to the students and ask questions also. And they did not live in the house. In the older days, they had a special building which is called school, just as we have. All kids learned the same thing if they were the same age. Now in point A, Margie's mother believes that each human teacher has to be fitted the contents to each of the child's mind. That means to make them understand the things. During this discussion, her mother called Margie to do homework. Now in point number 9, it is mentioned, the mechanical teacher was waiting for Margie. Margie didn't do any lesson on Saturday and Sunday on TV screen. Her mother's opinion was that if they learned at regular hours, they learned better. Mechanical teacher was asking homework of arithmetic lesson. Margie sorrowfully put her homework into the slot. She thought about the old schools when her grandfather's grandfather was a little boy. She thought about the fun. They had laughing, shouting together, sitting together in the classroom, being taught by a human teacher, and going together at the end of the day. The mechanical teacher was flashing on the screen. She was thinking about the fun they had. Now students, मैं आपको बताना चाहती हूँ कि ये लेसन में 2157 साल में स्कूल्स कैसे होंगे. अभी जो ऑनलाइन में होता है ऐसे ही वो टाइम पे होगा. वहाँ कंप्यूटर में सिखाया जाता होगा. उसमें मैकेनिकल टीचर्स होंगे, काउंटी इंस्पेक्टर्स होंगे जो मार्क्स काउंट करते हैं. मगर वो 2 बच्चे हैं उसमें, मार्गी और टॉमी. और टॉमी को एक बुक मिलता है, पुराना वाला बुक मिलता है जिसमें स्कूल के बारे में लिखा गया था. उन्होंने देखा कि अभी जो हम पढ़ते हैं ऐसे स्कूल होता तो कितना अच्छा होता. सब साथ में आते हैं, साथ में पढ़ते हैं, सेम एज वाले सब एक ही साथ सेम थिंग वो लोग पढ़ते हैं. वो उनको बहुत ही अच्छा लगता होता अगर अपने अभी के जो स्कूल है ऐसे होता तो. मगर अभी जो पढ़ते हैं वो कंप्यूटराइज्ड है, उसमें सब मैकेनिकल है जो मार्गी को बिल्कुल ही पसंद नहीं है. तो ये लेसन में ये बताया गया है कि आने वाले सालों में स्कूल कैसे होगा. थैंक यू. अभी Now students, note down the following question answers. Question number 1. What kind of teachers did Margie and Tommy have? Answer. Margie and Tommy had mechanical teachers. They were taught on computers and television screens. They didn't have a living person as a teacher who would teach the pupils in a classroom. Now, second number. Why was Margie doing badly in geography? Why did the county inspector do to help her? Now answer. Margie had been doing badly in geography because the mechanical teacher was very fast in displaying the questions. The county inspector adjusted its speed up to the IQ level of Margie. Now question number 3. What had once happened to Tommy's teacher? Tommy's teacher was taken away for nearly a month because the history sector had blanked out completely. Now question number 4. How does he describe the old kind of teachers? Answer. Tommy says that the old teachers did not live in the house. They had a special building and all the kids went there. They gave homework to students. They were not mechanical teachers but living human beings. Thank you.